For zipper insertion, use zipper foot I. Select straight stitch, center needle position on the pattern selection dial. For the models equipped with a stitch width dial, select straight stitch. And set the stitch width dial to the center needle position. To sew the right side of a zipper, set the presser foot on the left side pin. Let's take a look at how to change the needle and maintenance. Make sure to turn the main power switch off before you change the needle. Raise the needle to its highest position by turning the hand wheel toward you. Remove the presser foot and lower the presser foot lever. Hold the needle with your left hand. Loosen the needle clamp screw with the accessory screwdriver in your right hand. And remove the needle. With the flat side of the new needle toward the rear of the machine, insert the needle until it touches the needle stopper. Hold the needle with your left hand and secure the needle clamp screw with a screwdriver. Make sure you switch the machine off before you clean it. With the presser foot, the needle and the presser foot holder removed. Remove the clamp screws and the needle plate. Grasp the bobbin case and pull it out. Use cleaning brushes or vacuum cleaners to remove any dust from the race and its surrounding area. Return the bobbin case to its original position. Make sure that the projection of the bobbin case and the tension adjusting spring of the race are aligned.